Hello students of class 1. This is Jemima ma'am. Today I will be teaching you the third lesson of moral science, that is self-help is the best help. Now children, do you know what is meant by self-help? Self-help means doing things on your own. In difficulty, we should not depend on others for help. We should try to solve problems on our own. So it's written over here. Instead of depending on others, we should try to solve our problems on our own. This is only called self-help. Now, let us read this story. It is there in your book. Once upon a time, there lived an honest cart driver. He had faith in God and prayed to Him every day. One day, his cart's wheel got stuck in the mud. Here, in this story, we come to know that there was an honest cart driver. The cart driver was a truthful person, a sincere person, and he had faith in God. He prayed to God every day. Now one day what happened? The cart driver was in a problem. The wheels of his cart got stuck in the mud. Now let us see what happens next. He started praying loudly. "Oh God, please help me." God liked the cart driver a lot. He appeared before him and said, "Put your shoulders to the wheels. Never pray to me for help until you have done your best to help yourself." The cart driver tried to take his cart out of the mud. He succeeded. So see what's written here. The cart driver was in a problem. The wheels of his cart got stuck in the mud. When the cart driver saw the problem, he started to pray loudly. He asked for God's help. God liked him a lot, and so God appeared before the cart driver. God told the cart driver to put his shoulders to the wheels and try to solve the problem by himself. God also said, see it's written in your book, "Put your shoulders to the wheels. Never pray to me for help until you have done your best to help yourself." So by hearing this from God, that God asked him to help himself, the cart driver tried his best to take his cart out of the mud. At last, he succeeded. The cart driver achieved his aim. The cart driver took his cart out of the mud. So children, what is the moral of the story? See the next line. We should also try to solve our problems on our own. This way we become independent and brave. See, whenever we are in any problem, we start to cry, we pray to God instead of solving that problem on our own. Sometimes we also depend on others, that someone may come and solve our problem. But we should not do that. Then what should we do? We should try to solve our problems on our own. This will help us to become independent and brave. So, we have completed the lesson, and the thought of the day is God helps those who help themselves. Now, we will move to the question answer and fill in the blanks. You can see on the screen, it is very clear. I'll read it for you. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. A. God helps those who help themselves. Helps will be underlined. Themselves will be underlined. B. Self-help is the best help. Best will be underlined. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. A. What do you mean by self-help? Self-help means doing things on your own. B. Who had faith in God? Answer is car driver had faith in God. So you have to write this in your moral science copy and also learn it. This is a small prayer. It will be coming in your half-yearly exam. So you have to write this in your moral science copy and learn it. I'll read it. Dear God, as I study, rest and play, be with me all the day. You are my special friend. On you I can depend. And we will not do the exercises from the book. Hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.